Well friends, here is another problem. The problem is 110, 330, 5 130 and 7 350. Now out of these four numbers, 3 will be alike and 1 is different. To solve this, first let me consider this number, that is 3 and 30. Okay, now try to find out the relationship between these two numbers. Now 30 can be obtained when I consider cube of 3 plus adding the same number itself, that is 3. So cube of 3 is what? 27 plus 3 is nothing but 30. Okay. Next, consider this number 5 and 130. So 5 130. Now I will use the same relation, that is cube of 5 plus the same number itself, that is 5. Now cube of 5 is what? 125 plus 5 gives 130. Okay, gives us what? 130. Next, consider this 7 and 350. Again I will use the same relation, that is cube of 7. Cube of 7 plus same number itself. Now what it gives? Cube of 7 is what? Yes, it is 343 plus 7 is equal to what? 350. Okay. So now look at these three numbers. 1, 2, 3. Cube of the number and the same number. Adding the same number gives us what? The relationship between the numbers. But if you consider the first one, it will not give you that answer. That is cube of 1 plus the same number is what? 2. But we are having it as 1 and 10. That means these three numbers are alike and this is what? Different. Now this is the right answer. Well friends, we will see some more problems.